सर स्कूल है ഓക്കെ 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 ഇത് വിസിറ്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് പോകും
Whenever there is a project, people come actually, I joined here in Bangalore actually. Vatagra, it took 1.5 hours actually, and now actually I travel myself. I tell you, I travel myself, driving myself. I have driven Aru also. I was riding. It took 1 hour 10 minutes, right from Palikat to Bangalore. It was earlier 2.5 hours, more than 2.5 hours.
And this Vadagara to that Mahi.
Yes, sir.
That is also even now it's taking time.
Sir, we are improving on all. Actually, sir, we have done whatever it was in.
Then our
even
meeting is collector. You promised about.
Actually, in that day meeting, we have made it 3 sections. One section is Mandalam because the existing road also we are doing the talking is almost 50-60% done, sir. Just because of traffic and New Year we stopped it. Maybe this week, coming week we will complete that overlay. So that existing thing that we have to do that will be made this week. It will be operational. And this bypass also we are trying to make the traffic through bypass before February. Maximum this January we wanted to just even the temporary road in that particular kilometer and allow the traffic over the bypass so that the traffic and the even Koilandi will be less and the public will have the problem. That's what we are thinking, sir. And
So by January end, how many kilometers will be motorable?
by February end, sir. Now it is around 28 kilometers. But motorable is around 15 kilometers.
By March end, actually, we have planned the main carriageway. The main carriageway
Kilometer access issues may be there, but nothing will be problem.
main carriageway is considering these steps. Now only it is about joining those main carriageways because all our work are about to finish. So suddenly you will get a very good change like in within next 3 months. If it is 100 days time, so 100 days time.
We are ready to cooperate. In addition to this, more is more. Just see the way school change. Even minister is ready, hospital is just 100 meters away from the school. So,
Da.
Is that something of the kind sometimes it is not always possible to go for educated people. So they may have taken some actually
Any safety check is happening regarding this embankments throughout Kerala? I heard that some clinics here in Kerala.
All the highways, all across the NS all the structures and whatever the facilities are being verified. Whether the values taken in design and what the contractors submitted are actually matching. So this exercise has actually started and the team has actually yesterday arrived. They have
Arrived here in Kerala. When are they reaching our side? In Calicut they have reached.
Yes, actually yesterday they have visited the Calicut bypass and today they are already reached from there only. And within 2 days they are mobilizing their rigs. And moreover, sir, headquarters has recently deputed quality inspection team, retired engineering chief from Haryana PWD. He is coming to this project. Azure Wrangler is coming.
So when will their visit happen? It will be
He is coming on
communicated to us or
18th night. His flights are booked. Just now I have so he is coming on 18th night, sir, and now from 19th to 20th it is a 5-day program. So he is visiting all, he and his team will be checking all the specs, works which have been completed or like whatever in Azure Wrangler, only dedicated for Azure Wrangler. All the quality issues.
this is from Haryana.
He is engineering chief of Haryana PWD.
Chief engineer Haryana PWD. Only for Azure.
Only for Azure, retired.
Okay. How about the team that already arrived?
They have started, sir. They have started already. They might have reached Vadagar already. Yes.
Before they come.
Site investigation they are starting.
So both are separate exercises. Azure Wrangler is only separate, only for Azure Wrangler. A separate team is coming, and that geotechnical team is working all across NSS. That is a separate exercise. Just so that no other incident like Korea or something happens, or if any deficiencies there, we will take sensitive action. So both exercises are happening. Definitely in Azure Wrangler, in your constituency, 2 exercises will be going on within next 1 month.
Even we recommended for
Definitely, sir. Definitely.
even we recommended for the completed by this structures also.
And
ID card. Already started. Mana 209. Minimum it requires around 3 meter. When you have to exhibit 3 meter by 5.3. Entire thing we have to dismantle and I have told them that we will provide a this is FOB. It is costing more or less 1 crore plus sir for us. I requested PD sir also to we also consider we will have a compensation.
Apart from that, during a members we see, our member has clearly told Prashant जहाँ protest हो रहा है, सिर्फ अगर FRS provide VUP, LUP, and based on this
hardly 300 meters away, sir. Underpass, yeah. Hardly 300 overpass, yes, already 300 meters away. And another backside we can see, sir. We have the location, we can see.
I'll fix a date with you. This thing, even after completion, I don't think will be a safe.
ഇനി മർജി നിൽക്കുന്ന പീസ് ഉണ്ട് ഏത് സമയത്തും
Everybody was saying that no, this technology is approved by IIT. our engineers have approved it, but it fell down like anything. You know, even after completion it fell down. Even after completion it fell down.
Next monsoon season. There are several locations where actually previous 2 seasons before there is exact. So we are looking at locations in our project.
At least this place, you suggest, you recommend. The issue that you don't, when you said they are ready to accept it. Minister said whenever a report comes from you people saying that this is needed, we are ready to accept. Whenever they ask a report, whatever you said is negative. Don't give me a letter in reply to me.
FOB बोला ना सर FOB actually our park near the temple combined same case of
Sir, let me tell you that our review officer has clearly told where footbridge is required. And we are ready to meet footbridge with ramps if land is available. If even land is not available, clear direction from our headquarters. Don't let public suffer. Go with footbridge with lift.
Okay.
And
it's already instructed also sir.
Sir, nowhere it has been taken the decision. Only in Kerala, I think we are going with the footbridge.
So we have to have a site visit.
Sir,
For FOB.
Sir, actually, I did from we are watching all the points that where the people are
No, no, with you, if I can come, I can convince people also. People can come to us. We can make a decision on this.
Sir, we are
So this thing you will recommend an elevated structure.
Actually first
and this is with our today only after
Do I need to talk to electric?
Sir,